the one we use for our product is very traditional in Zanzibar. When you work on the beach, you can see many of the women with the planting seaweed, harvesting of them. It's very popular in the world because many people, they know the benefit of seaweed product, so they just love the seaweed. Our team, most of them are coming from Paje. They know a lot about seaweed because I was seaweed farmers before starting to work here at the SeaWeed Centre. So they're very comfortable about making this product.
I love the fact that we are using the seaweed because seaweed is something which is natural and organic. Everything is mostly found in Zanzibar. First of the ingredients which we should have for making our SeaWeed Centre soaps, we need to have the virgin coconut oil, we need to have the beeswax, we need to have if it's turmeric powder, if you're making the turmeric soap, you need to have the coffee powder and cinnamon essential oil, and you need to have the seaweed powder, the rough one and the smooth seaweed. SeaWeed Centre is very special and we love the products because everything is mostly found in Zanzibar. It has a lot to do with the locals. Supporting the community is one thing SeaWeed Centre is doing. It means a lot.
This is the first company which is making international product and export in different countries.